Good afternoon, it's John Longin with DR Horton Homes. We are showcasing our Saturday home of the day is 9533 Timberwind Lane. This is our Shelby floor plan. It is, I'm going to tilt the camera here. I guess I'm going to tilt it back. Anyway, it is our Shelby floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It backs up to Mustang Road. Has a really nice backyard, fully fenced. Irrigation system, of course, fully sodded. Very private, kind of at the end of this cul-de-sac here. Very near the new intermediate school. And here we go. So as you enter, this is fantastic. You got some killer volume here to really kind of pull you into the home. Nice deco lodge. I know most of us guys are like, what is that for? It's a great place for greenery. It's a great place for a Christmas tree to see from the outdoors. Nice study as you enter to your right. Large enough to be a multitask room. Could be a study area. We could add a French door for you, make it a little more private. As you enter, you see the granite countertops are fantastic. If you're building going forward, you'll have an undermount sink here. This one has the drop-in. Beautiful, great big, huge window. And that's one thing with DR Horton you'll notice. You can have great light in our homes. Most 90, I don't even know the percentage. I believe they're actually all 6-foot windows. So 6-foot windows throughout the home, giving you ample light. They're vinyl low-E windows. So even in a home of this size, it's 2378 square feet. This is a very energy efficient home. These are vinyl low-E windows. High R rating of 15 in your walls for good insulation. This is a master bedroom, by the way. Look at this. You can put a king-size bed on any wall in this room. It is absolutely ginormous. So, killer. We have the cultured marble here. Private water closet area. Good master closet. Ease of cleaning for the multi-unit shower tub combo. Also excellent storage here behind the door for your towels and linens and such. Moving on, we are going upstairs. Here again is your powder bath for your guests. We're going to run upstairs and see what we all have up here. The Shelby's one of my favorite plans as a man with 5 children myself. Baths and bedrooms are often a shortage. Baths certainly are. This home is no shortage of them. So upstairs, you have each side of the home has 2 bedrooms. As you can see, they're very nice sized bedrooms. In fact, oversized bedrooms. But they're all both sides of the home are served by 1 full bath. So you don't have the problem that you see in other homes with just a single or a powder bath upstairs. Here's the other side of the home. Equally nice sized bedrooms. And here's a second full bath. So this is our Shelby floor plan in a nutshell. Lots of opportunity. This one in particular has been reduced to $239,990. It's immediately available and can close as absolutely fast as you need to. I will be here till 6. I live near this neighborhood. I absolutely love the Canadian County corridor. Yukon schools, I can attest, with 5 from 8th grade to high school, or to senior in high school. The schools are excellent. Academically, sports, we have it all. So come see me, John Longin, DR Horton Homes, 405-706-4227. Thank you. Bye-bye.